Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayle and I do a ton of cleaning motivation videos. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut and we are doing something very special with this project because it's my 50th anniversary Walt Disney World Magic Kingdom t-shirt and I'm really excited about it. The SVG is somewhat intense, but it's still very easy to do, so don't worry. I'm gonna have the SVG file down in the description box, as well as me just making my shirt, and then you can make it along with me if you're planning on going to the anniversary within the next 18 months, as well as if you're just curious on how to layer vinyl. I also show you how to do that as well. But anyway, today's video I am deep cleaning everything. I'm taking off the cushion seats, I'm flipping the couch up, vacuuming, deep cleaning the kitchen. Basically the entire downstairs is being deep cleaned. So if you haven't seen my part one, it's basically all of my upstairs, and then I take you on a couple errands and cleaning out my car. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below in the description box. But other than that, thank you so much for watching and being here today, and I will talk to you very soon.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
Yeah. Another cold and rainy night without you lying by my side. I can't sleep, already tried, but still I dream away. Thinking about the way it was, or maybe just the two of us. We had it all, but we got lost with nothing left to the sun, missing all the fun. Do you think about me now and then? How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, one more time, baby, yeah. Oh, sunshine. Always used to hold my hand, painted our hearts in the sand, kissing while we made new plans, but still I dream away. Thinking about the way it was, baby, just the two of us. We had it all, but we got lost with nothing left to say. Days turned into months, still the one I want, but I carry on, yeah. All the memories live inside of me, even when you're gone. How I miss the sun, missing all the fun. Do you think about me now and then? How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, one more time, baby. Ooh, I'm missing my sunshine. One more time now, baby girl. You and I could run the world. How I miss the sunshine. I need you, I need you. One more time now, baby girl. You and I could run the world. Girl, I thought that you were the one. How I miss the sun, missing all the fun. Do you think about me now and then? How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, one more time, baby, baby, yeah. I'm missing my sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I'm missing the sunshine.
Just wanna stay in this paradise. 'Cause it looks like you're a fallen angel, and wherever you have been now, baby, I don't wanna know, don't wanna fight, just wanna stay in this paradise. If only for a minute longer. Just wanna stay. So come on, baby, and hurt me. Is this paradise? So come on, baby, and hurt me. Let's see what you got. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. Doesn't matter what we'll be. Still been through a lot. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. 'Cause it feels like paradise. Feels like paradise. Is this paradise? No more love songs now. No more heartbreaking. Going nowhere. I'm gone. I'm gone. Love in slow motion. Feeling left over. Holding on, though we're gone. We're gone. No more falling down. Heading nowhere fast. But I'm alright, speeding up. Slow down. We were getting high when we wished to forget. Going head to head in the same team. Bonding over why it was never enough just to be young and on the run. No more dead waiting. Stuck in Kansas then. Looking left out, but hey, we're fine. We were getting high when we wished to forget. Going head to head in the same team. Bonding over why it was never enough just to be young and on the run. We were young and on the run. When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? It's too late now, 'cause I'm growing old. But I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame. And I know that I have no one else to blame. Cricket, did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wouldn't know my name.
So finally making this shirt, and I'm so excited to go through this with you. So thank you again, Cricut, for sponsoring this video. As I'm talking right now, I'm sitting in my resort room, and it's actually 1:16 in the morning. And I have to wake up in about 5 hours to actually get ready to go to the 50th anniversary. And so this is just like perfect timing, and I'm so excited to be able to talk about this. But to go over the products that I'm using right now, the machine, I have the Cricut Maker, and then the tools that I'm using are right here on the screen, and I'm also going to link them down in the description box as well, just in case if you're curious or you want to purchase online. So what you're going to want to do is download the SVG file in the description box, and then open your Cricut Design Space and upload it on there. I divide everything by color, so you saw me cut out all of the gold pieces together. I have the Mickey and Minnie in black. I have a purple dress, white eyes, and I just weed all of the extra pieces off right before I go to heat press. Now the initial gold glitter I did heat press for a little bit longer. This part is actually really easy, and there's really no way to mess up. Just don't leave your heat press on there for too long, and there's always a bunch of details online when it comes to whatever vinyl you choose to use.
Wouldn't know my name. Wouldn't know it and didn't feel the same. Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you should have told you that you're beautiful. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wouldn't know my name. Wouldn't know it and didn't feel the same. Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
I'm obsessed with this shirt, and I really hope that you like it too. And don't forget about the SVG file in the description box, as well as everything else that I use in this video. I'm going to link it in the description as well. Thank you so much, Cricut, for sponsoring today's video, and I will see y'all in the next one.